My name is Nick. I'm head chef for the boutique Chalet company. First professional cooking job would have been my first ski season, I think, which was 23 years ago. I've always been a fan of desserts. I've got a bit of a sweet tooth, so yeah, desserts probably my favourite. I think desserts, baking, anything kind of sweet is probably my favourite. Worked under a Japanese head chef for a while, so I say my sort of, hence our Kaiseki menu as well. So my sort of Japanese cooking is not too bad, but I like exploring other Asian, Vietnamese, Korean. I love exploring those as well. I always kind of my sort of roots are in sort of French, Italian, so I always kind of come back to that. But yeah, it's nice to explore as well. My favourite weeks are the weeks when guests just say, "We'll eat whatever you want to cook," and I'm like, brilliant. So that then you kind of just have fun with it, and you know that people are kind of feeling a bit adventurous. They're up for trying new things. But if everything goes well, then you just kind of know. You don't always need the guests to tell you, and sometimes they won't. But usually, you can tell. So I think it's definitely a combination of everything going well.